ProEdge operational instructions. Servicing the front edge. Begin by first adjusting the grinding stone away from the grinder bed, making a space between the stone and bed. Set the proper angle. In this case, the angle is being set at 5 degrees. Place the bed knife assembly onto the bed. Start near one end of the bed knife and slide the assembly toward the stone until the front edge of the knife is lightly touching the stone. Next, move the backstop to the back of the knife and secure by tightening the nut underneath. Repeat the same procedure on the other end of the bed knife. Using the special C-clamps, clamp the bed bar assembly to the grinder bed. Slide the stone carriage to one end of the bed knife until the center of the stone is even with the end of the bed knife. Measure a piece of water hose and place over the guide rail. This is to set the travel distance so that the stone does not travel off the end of the knife. Repeat this procedure on the other end. Start stone and traverse. It may be necessary to adjust the stone to achieve an even grinding from one end to the other. Continue grinding until the front edge is sharp. To make subsequent setups easier, it is suggested to make a mark on the inside of the grinder frame so that the operator can take the carriage assembly back to the same setting each and every time. Before resetting the grinder, grind all the bed knives by simply removing and replacing them into the grinder. Once all the bed knives have had the front edges sharpened, the machine can then be reset for servicing the top face. Servicing the top face. Swing the carriage assembly until the stone is vertical.
Just hold it right there.
Set the angle. In this case, the angle is set at 5 degrees. Place the bed knife assembly on the bed and slide the bed knife under the stone. The edge of the stone should be in line with the center of the groove in the bed knife. Set the backstops. Beginning on one end, adjust the stone until it slightly touches the bed knife. Move the stone to the other end and adjust the stone until it slightly touches that end of the knife.
Take it down to the scrubs.
Turn the stone on and then traverse. Continue grinding until the front edge of the knife is sharp. Making a mark on the inside of the grinder frame will also aid in future setups.